Question: what is the most powerful force on the planet? I'll wait. And if you said money, you got it right. And that's why I am here, guys, giving you some trades that I'm taking this week. I have an overview of what the market looks like and what the money moves are going to be. So I will share some of my plays that I am trading this week. And this is not financial advice. If you want, you can copy what I'm doing, or you cannot. It's up to you. I'm not telling anybody here what to do. I'm just sharing what I'm doing as always. So Bitcoin has been going down. It has been a really bearish week last week, which is not surprising for those of you that follow me closely. I told you that Bitcoin is going down to 40,000 levels, and some people laughed, and then some of you guys are in profit because you have been short together with me. Some of you got stopped and what. Anyway, so the way the markets look straight up this week, it looks like BTC, USDT, it looks like BTC is going to pump a little bit, and it could hit the 57K levels, which is where our moving average is right now. Now, if you look on the 4-hour, the Natros bull has been bearish for a while now, but right now it looks like we're having green flashes here. At any moment, the signal might turn green, and if that happens, if we close the current candle green, it means that we are going back to more likely 57K levels, and the resistance level is going to be 59,200 levels. That's where we could go from now, right? So there is a lot of potential here. 57K as a TP1 and 59K as TP2 if things really go that well. But I can bet very much on 57 here. 57K levels is going to be very realistic. So I have longed 5x leverage Bitcoin. My TP is at 57,200 and my stop loss is at 54,600 for Bitcoin. Why? Because I looked at this week, it's at 54,608. So I just put a little bit lower there. If it tried to crash down over there, even though the support looks like it's at 54,372, I don't want to be involved in that range because things can go really badly and then we retest 53,000 again. I don't want to be in there. And then the next coin I will tell you about is Ondo. Ondo has been dumped on so badly, and I did tell you guys on Twitter that when Bitcoin finds momentum, it's going to be a bullish move for Ondo, which is exactly what's happening right now. It's all green on the 4-hour, let alone on the daily. It's about to turn bullish in the Natros bull. So if that's what you're looking at, again, I'm not making really crazy projections on the daily charts on this one. I'm looking at 63 as a TP1, and if we get to like 66 and above, that's going to be a miracle. But I have my TP1 here at 62.9, and then TP3 at 0.665, and I only have 2 TPs on this one in the short term because I think that Bitcoin and the rest of the market could crash down by the weekend again because the momentum isn't still there. The volumes are still weak. And the next coin I want to talk about is Altcoin, ApeUSD. Altcoin, for those of you who are in the Alpha group, it's a miracle coin because last week, even though everything was crashing down, Altcoin has been doing well. 26% in the last 7 days and 19% in the last 30 days. For those of you who are in my Alpha group, you managed to catch this 26% here because I told you that Ape has something going on and it's more likely going to pump. So even though Bitcoin was struggling and the rest of the market were crushing, Altcoin was doing really well. And right now it's bouncing back up. I think it's still a full send on this one going long. There is a reason to why this is happening, but the Alpha group members already know why that is happening right now. So I'll just leave it there. And the next coin that I am also bullish on that I have gone long with leverage, 5x, is Rune. So these are not like the runes on Bitcoin. This is Thorchain. I'll go here to show you guys Thorchain. This coin has been oversold massively, and now it's just making its comeback slowly. So even though the market is in a disarray right now, if Bitcoin is going to bounce back to 57, 59K this week, then expect Thorchain to do numbers and to do miracles just like Altcoin as well. That's another coin that I'm going long on. And I've also gone long on GMT. You guys might be surprised, but GMT right here, I've also gone long on GMT. I don't have time to explain why GMT is the full send, but if you look at their short-term chart, I mean, you can definitely see it. Just go to like daily and zoom out. It will make sense. So actually, let me go for a weekly. This is the weekly chart for GMT, right? It's completely floored. So whenever there is a moment to pump up, or whenever the markets are right now are going optimistic and starting to go up, GMT is going to be making its recovery slowly to the top. Now, why I'm saying this is that even though it's down bad this low, it has a lot of liquidity across exchanges, and then it has 24-hour trading volumes of $35 million a day. That is, so this is not dying. It's just a coin that is going through overselling by the cabal that owns it. But when the market has a moment to sneeze up, there you go. This is a good coin with good potential. Now, on GMT, I'm not thinking just on the short term. I want to long it for a while. However, I'll still wait for BTC's confirmation. So I've gone long, I have a stop loss, but if Bitcoin keeps on going up, I'm just not going to take profit. I'll just let it ride and adjust my stop loss on the way up, which you guys already know how to do. If you don't, go to cryptouniversity.network and create an account and learn how to do it. Now, as for crypto exchanges that I use to trade, you can find them below in the description of this video or in my link in bio. I use CoinW, Bybit, OKX. CoinW does not need KYC. You can basically just sign up and start using it, and you can withdraw up to 2 Bitcoins a day, which is more than $100,000 right now. That's fantastic. And Bybit, OKX, depending whether they work in your country or they don't, you can try them out. It just depends on where in the world you are. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll see you a little bit later. But currently, even though I'm overall bearish, Bitcoin, I believe, is still going to hit $40,000 levels. But for now, for this week, especially the beginning of the week, I am bullish, make some quick money, and then I'll close my longs and get back to work. Worst case scenario, I might get stopped. That's not the end of the world. I'll take my loss and I'll keep it moving. You guys stay awesome, and peace.